Today you're going to be exploring the question, what is algebra? In order to get you started, we walked around Rogers High School and started talking to some of the staff that you're going to get to know well here in the next couple of years.
Algebra is a form of mathematics where I know you're just putting numbers into equations and equations into numbers and just figuring out how it all works. In the end, you come up with some kind of answer that makes sense. That is math. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
Algebra? I don't know. I teach English. Let's see. They have letters. Oh, y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. That's how you do math.
What is algebra? Algebra is probably solving equations, looking at variables. Y equals mx plus b. The y-intercept, the x-intercept. Inverse equations with variables and polynomials. PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. First, outside, inside, last. FOIL. Is that good? Did I pass?
Play one. Has a leg. Go for it.
Alright. So, in my mind, algebra is the ability to solve problems and figure out things when things aren't known. And sometimes people think of it as just variables being added to math, and that's kind of representing that unknown piece. There's also a lot of kind of multiple representations, so looking at data or information a lot of different ways, whether that's graphs or tables or equations. There's some algebraic manipulation in there, so solving equations. And yeah, I guess that's it.
I don't know what algebra is. It's really confusing.
I'd say algebra is, I think there's a number in there. I think letters, maybe some letters. I don't know.
Algebra. Let's see, I'm trying to think back to high school, because that's the last time I actually did anything involving algebra, I think. But I know it has something to do with numbers and letters and solving equations. Usually you're trying to figure out what x equals. That's about all I remember.
Algebra used to be my favorite class. It used to be a really fun math till Mr. Dunn decided to teach it.
I'm Jen Harmer, athletic director, and algebra is the most difficult thing I ever took in school. However, it is worth it, and you will use it eventually someday.
What is algebra? What I do know is, what is love? Baby, don't hurt me no more. That's all I got.
Is the best class ever.